हैं आज के स्टॉक इन एक्शन।
आइए चलते हैं लोकसभा में, वहां पर वित्त मंत्री जी बातचीत कर रही है और फाइनेंस बिल पर वो अपना जवाब दे रही हैं, चर्चा कर रही हैं।
Yes, I thought I said that. I said it is not brought through the finance bill. It is a new income tax bill. Thank you. So, brought during this budget session, but hopefully we'll have it taken up for discussion in this House during the monsoon session. So during this budget session, sir, not only the provisions and also certain reformatory steps taken during the through the finance bill, the rationalization of customs also is a major thing that I'll come to talk about in a minute. So the steps taken for the customs duty reduction are also post elaborate discussion with the stakeholders. So there has been an element of Jan Bhagidari both in the preparation of the new income tax bill and in the larger finance bill itself. The other direct tax reforms, sir, are worth mentioning. We have brought down certain TDS and TCS provisions. We've increased the thresholds so that the deduction of tax starts at a higher threshold rather than a lower. In respect of sale of goods, the requirement of TCS, particularly under section 206C 1H, is proposed to be done away with. We are completely removing it. Further, considering the difficulties which is faced by the taxpayer, we now propose to allow the benefit of 2 such self-occupied properties without any condition. And that is a major step which will benefit the middle class, because in order to prove that the second house is also under their occupation, they do quite a few of paperwork and diligence has to be kept up. We are now saying you don't even need to do the paperwork. We take it as you stated for the second such occupied property. In order to streamline the process of transfer pricing, sir, and to provide an alternative to yearly examination, we have proposed that a scheme of determining arm's length price in international transaction for a block period of 3 years at a time. So this will be in line with the global best practices. So annually, people do not have to rush to prove what the transfer pricing commitments will be. Further, we've also, with a view to reducing the litigation and provide certainty in international taxation, the scope of safe harbor rules have been expanded. Instead of having it narrow and expecting people to continuously come and prove that it is required for their business, we've widened it, and the safe harbor rules are therefore broader in favor of the assessee. Further, the presumptive taxation regime for non-residents is also now a lot more relaxed, particularly in the case of those businesses or resident companies which are operating in electronics manufacturing facilities, because electronics manufacturing demands supply of components in time, and those specific components will have to be brought in. If time lapses in their supply from the original equipment manufacturer, the production itself will suffer. So we've given them this particular presumptive tax regime, so that the non-residents who participate in these services, particularly given to a resident company, can benefit.
बिल्कुल, तो आप सुन रहे थे वित्त मंत्री को फाइनेंस बिल पर वो संसद में संबोधित करते हुए। आगे बढ़ते हैं और रिसर्च टीम को अपने साथ